Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy and delicious honey glazed turkey roast. This one is perfect for Thanksgiving, so I really recommend it. The preparation time is going to be about 15 minutes, and then we have to marinate it for at least 2 hours. If you have more time, I recommend that you marinate it overnight. The cooking time is going to be about 1.5 to 2 hours depending on the size of the turkey roast. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We'll start by making the orange glaze. In a saucepan on medium heat, we'll combine the orange juice together with the apple cider vinegar and the honey. Stir. And then we're going to add in the orange zest together with the mustard and season this with salt to taste and black pepper to taste. Stir once again and cook on medium heat for 15 minutes or until it boils. Once it's boiling, let it boil for 5 more minutes. And this glaze is more on the sweet side. If you like orange chicken, this is the same kind of flavor. If you prefer a smoky flavor, feel free to add some minced chipotle peppers or some smoked paprika to reduce the sweetness. Once the sauce is ready, let it cool down completely before using it. Now in another bowl, we're going to combine the butter with the minced garlic, the rosemary and the thyme, also adding the paprika. Season this with salt and black pepper to taste. And now we're going to heat this up until the butter is melted. Once the butter is melted, now into this mixture we will also add 1.5 cups of the orange glaze. Stir until well combined, and then just set this mixture aside to cool down completely. And reserve the leftover orange glaze, because we're going to use it later, to brush over the turkey while it's cooking. So here I have my turkey roast. It's already wrapped in the string netting. Don't remove it, the net is there to hold the meat together. So we're going to place the turkey roast in a bowl and we're going to season it with the butter and orange glaze mixture. Remember, this mixture has to be completely cold before using it. So after it's cold, now we're going to pour it over the turkey roast. Make sure the turkey roast is well covered with the sauce on all sides. You can even spend some minutes massaging it into the turkey roast just to make sure the meat is really well seasoned. And then after that, now cover it and we're going to marinate it for at least 2 hours. If you have more time, I recommend that you marinate it overnight. So after at least 2 hours or the next day, now we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to place the turkey roast in a baking pan. Make sure the pan has a cooking rack so the turkey roast will get golden brown on all sides. So we're going to place the turkey roast on the center of the rack, and then we're going to pour all the marinade over the turkey roast. Sprinkle the turkey roast with a pinch of salt and pepper, and then we're going to add in 1 cup of water into the pan. And now we're going to cook this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. It depends on the size of the turkey roast. You want to cook it until it's well cooked. And we're going to be broaching the turkey roast with the leftover orange glaze every 40 minutes. So this is how it looks after the first 40 minutes. Now we're going to broach it with the leftover orange glaze. Broach it on all sides. And then place it back in the oven for another 40 minutes. After another 40 minutes, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's looking great. It has a beautiful color and I think it's almost ready. Remember, the internal temperature of the cooked turkey roast should be 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Mine is almost ready, but not yet. So I'm going to brush it again with the orange glaze, and then I'm going to place it back in the oven for another 30 minutes or so, or until it's well cooked. And then after 30 minutes, this is how it looks. I'm going to check the temperature again, and mine is ready. I'm going to brush it again with the leftover orange glaze. Then cover it with aluminum foil and let it rest for at least 10 minutes before serving it. And then after 10 minutes, now you can cut it. And this turkey is delicious, so flavorful. After you slice it, you can serve it. And if you like it really sweet, feel free to brush the slices with more of the orange glaze. If you don't like it too sweet, just leave it like that, no more brushing, and it will be delicious. Sprinkle with fresh rosemary and thyme. And I'm serving it with Brussels sprouts and mashed potatoes. Stay tuned for the Brussels sprouts recipe on my next video, and that's about it. Enjoy! To print these and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!